Hi, hello everyone. Now your EVS class. This is our second class, right children, EVS? So in first class, what you all learned about your body? You learned about your body, right? And about yourself. I said you to fill all this things in your textbook. You all finished, I feel. I think children, you all completed this page. I am going to check you. I said in next class I am going to check you. I will check you. Okay. I think everyone are done this. Okay. Now this about my body you learnt in last class. Second lesson about my body you all learnt, no? So you should do this activity also. Once I will say how to write, so you can fill in your textbooks. Okay, which activity do you do with your hands? Which activity you can do with your hands, children? Writing, speaking, walking. You can do the writing. Which activity do you do with your legs? Clapping, eating, running. Which you can do? Running. Hair is found on the stomach, neck, head. Where your hairs will found? On stomach, on neck, head. Where it found? On your head. So match the following they given. Our eyes help us to see. Our eyes help us to see. Our nose help us to smell. Our ears help us to hear. You can hear the things, no? Hear. Tongue help us to taste. What tongue will do? It help us to taste the things. Our skin help us to feel. Feel means it is hot, it is cold. Your tongue only can taste it, right? So this one, see how many each body parts do you have? Write the number in the circle. You should write how many body parts you have, that you should write. Feet. Feet means what? In the leg it will be feet. So how many legs you have? 2 legs. So how many feet you will be having? 2 feet. So you should write there 2. Nose. How many nose do you have? 1 nose. How many nose? 1 nose. Hands. How many hands do you have? 2 hands. Tongue. How many tongues you have? Only 1. How many? Only 1. Fingers. How many fingers? Each hand do you have? 5 fingers. So totally do you have? 10 fingers. How many fingers? 10 fingers. Chest. So don't be a confusion. You have 1 chest but 2 parts. This side and this side. So you should write 2. So how many you should write? 2. Here 2. Yours is 2. Neck is 1. Eyes is 2. So next one you should write, name the body parts that rhymes with this words. So rhyme. Root, foot they written. Rest, chest. Rest, C-H-E-S-T. Chest you should write. Thin, what you should write? Chin, C-H-I-N, chin. Cheek, cheek. Neck, N-E-C-K, neck. Rose, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Fair, hair. H-A-I-R, air. Understood, children? Write any 3 activities you do with your hands. What all you can do? You can clap with your hands. You can write with your hands. You can hold the things with your hands. I given 3 examples. You can write what you can do with your hands. Write any 3 activities you do with your legs. So many things you can do. You write some of the examples. Walk, jump, stand, like that. Okay. How many sense organs do you have? How many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. Which all they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. How many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. Right. Okay. Next class, I'll check all these activities you finish. Now, we continue with our 3rd lesson. Before that, once you can recite this rhyme. Okay, recite this poem with me once. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 2 little lips to kiss good night. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 2 little lips to kiss good night. Okay, children, do you enjoy? So, we move on to the lesson 3. Which lesson we are going to learn today? We will learn lesson 3. What is the lesson name? My body needs care. What is the lesson name? My body needs the care. So, last lesson we learned about our body. In this lesson, you are going to learn about how you can keep your body neat and healthy. So, what all if you do, you can be healthy and neat. So, we learn. To be healthy and happy, we should take care of our body. Right now, if you are not taking care of your body, what will happen? Again, you'll be feeling sick. So, you should be on going hospital, taking medicines. Like that it happens. What you should do? So, you should keep your body yourself clean. So, you learn in this lesson how to keep your body clean and neat, how you can care your body. So, to keep my body clean. To keep my body clean. What you should do to keep your body clean? To keep your body clean, what you should do? You should see here what they given. I brush my teeth 2 times every day. What you should do? You should brush your teeth 2 times. 2 times every day. How many times you should brush your teeth? You should brush your teeth 2 times a day. So, everyone will brush your teeth 2 times. No, some of you are not brushing. Only few, they are brushing morning. When you'll brush 2 times? When you wake up from the bed morning, 1 time you should brush. Then when you're going to bed, Means when after your dinner you are sleeping, no, that time once. 2 times you should brush every day. So that time you will not get a cavities, any infections in your mouth. Your mouth will be healthy and clean. So what you should do? You should brush your teeth 2 times. Understood, children? Then you have to take bath every day. What you should do? You should take bath every day. You should take bath every day. What you should do? You should take bath every day. Some of you will not take a bath. So every day you should take a bath. You should brush your teeth 2 times and you should take a bath. Means you can take 2 times also, 1 time also, but every day you should take a bath. Third one, what you should do? You should wear a clean clothes. You should wear a clean clothes. What you should do? You should wear a clean clothes. So, if you are wearing clean clothes, the germs will not be there. Otherwise, wearing the same cloth 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, in that sweat will be there, no? So, germs will come. You will not feeling good, sick, or again you will fall in a sick. So, you should wear a clean clothes. And you should comb hair properly. I comb my hair properly. Means hairs also you should wash regularly and you should trim your hairs and you should comb your hairs and you should keep on neatly. That time hairs will be clean and neat. So what you should do? Comb your hair. Comb your hair. So next, I trim my nails regularly. What you should do? You should trim your nails. Means if you not trim your nails, what will happen? Dirty things will go inside your nails. When you eat something, it will go into your stomach. That time what happens? Your stomach will get upset. Then you will fall in a sick. So you should trim nails every week properly. So only in the school also, every Monday we are going to check you trim your nails or not, right? For this sake only we will check you. So what you should do? You should trim your nails. You should trim your nails. You should trim your nails regularly. Means one week you are trimming, next week if you are not trimming also, it is not good. So you should trim your nails regularly. I wash my hands before and after every meal. Means while eating food, before eating food also you should wash your hand. After eating food also you should wash your hand. Why you should wash your hands? Because you'll be playing, you'll be doing some work, writing, right? No, eraser, pencil, everything you'll be using. That time, that pencil also is a poisonous lead. So that all you touch, no, you'll be sharpening. So that time your hands will become dirty. So like that only, if you without washing your hands, if you eat, what happens? The dirtiness will go inside your stomach. No. So what you should do? You should wash your hands before lunch, before eating food and after eating food. Understood, children? What all precautions you should take? One more time let me say. To keep your body clean, what you should do? You should brush your teeth twice a day. Means 2 times for a day. When you should brush? Once in the morning and once in the night before going to bed. Okay, early in the morning when you wake up from the bed, no, that time you should brush, and while going to sleep, that time you should brush. And every day you should take a bath and you should wear a clean clothes. You should comb your hairs and you should trim your nails regularly. Then you should wash your hands before lunch and before food and after food. Take out next page, page number 14. Here, to be clean, you all learned this. For being healthy, what all you should do, let me see, okay? To keep my body healthy, I eat fresh food and drink clean water. What you should do? You should eat fresh food. What you should do? You should eat fresh food. Fresh food. Fresh food means what? Outside and all they'll be keeping no roadside foods. That and all you should not eat. In the house, all the food should be covered. That food you should eat. That clean food, fresh food you should eat. And drink clean water. You should boil your water and drink. If you didn't boil also, filtered one you can, but drinking hot water is good for health. You can make it as a habit. So that time you will be healthy. So what you should do, first one, you should eat a fresh food and you should drink clean water. Drink clean water. What you should do? Drink clean water. Then I drink a glass of milk every day. What you should do? You should drink a milk every day. At least 1 glass of milk you should drink. From milk, what you'll get? You'll get a calcium. Your bones will be strong. So what you should do? Every day you should drink 1 glass, at least 1 glass of milk. What you should do? 1 glass of milk you should drink. 1 glass of milk. You should drink 1 glass of milk. And I take simple exercise every day. When you wake up early, no, that time you should do some of the exercise. Simple one, which you know you can learn. In the school also you learn some of the exercise, right? Yoga you'll learn, no? That all you can practice every day in the morning. So that time your body will be fit and healthy. So next one, what you should do? I play games every day. Means you should play games, not indoor games like watching always your phones and playing videos, playing games in videos. That is not playing. You should play outdoor games like cricket, volleyball, throw ball, like that games you should play. But now you don't, no need to play because of COVID-19. You should not go out of your house, right? After this all clear, we can enjoy. Now you be safe at home, children. Okay, what you should do? Now also don't use more phones for playing games and all. Okay, now you should play games. Where you should play? Outdoor games you should play for fit and healthy. Next is I take rest after exercise. So after doing exercise also you can take rest. Not continuously doing something work. Your body also needs some of the rest. So sometimes you should sit and take rest yourself. I sleep for 8 hours every day. This is very good habit. Every day you should sleep 8 hours. So when you should early to bed means at 8 o'clock, 8:30 you should sleep. Morning you should wake up early. Early to night, early to bed, early morning you should wake up. No, that is very good habit. So next one, to keep my body fit, what you should do? You should always sit straight. In class also you'll be sitting like this, bending everything you'll do. No, you should not do that because your backbone should always be a straight position. So that time your back will be comfortable. You will not get any pain and all. So how you should do? Your sitting posture should be always straight. How you should sit? Straight. So next one, I stand straight. While walking also you should walk straightly. You should not bend yourself neck, bending your back. That is also not good way. Your posture while walking and standing also, it should be straight in position. Then walking also you should walk straightly. I said no, you should not bend yourself. So what all you learned here? Let me see here Ruchi how she will do. Hello, hi, I am Ruchi. I wake up early in the morning. I first brush my teeth. Then I take a bath. I wear my clothes. I comb my hair. Next I have my breakfast. Then I leave for school. What Ruchi is doing here? She will get up early in the morning. First what she will do? She will brush her teeth. What you should also do? You should brush your teeth. She is also doing the same. She is brushing her teeth. After that what she will do? She will take a bath. So after brushing her teeth, she is taking a bath. Next what she will do? I wear my clothes. What she will do? She is wearing her clothes, combing her hair. Next she will have her breakfast. Breakfast means morning what you will eat. No, for that we will say breakfast. So after getting ready, she will have her breakfast. Then she will leave to school. So you people also do the same, right? So she is also doing the same here. So once we revise what all we should do for being healthy and clean. We should take care of our body. How all we should take care of our body? We should keep our body clean by doing this precautions, right? Brushing your teeth twice a day, 2 times for a day. Then you should take bath every day. What is to? You should take bath every day. You should wear a clean clothes. You should wear a clean clothes. Comb your hair. You should trim nails regularly. This all you should do properly, then you can be clean yourself every day. Then what you should do for being healthy? You should take a fresh food, drink clean water and 1 glass of milk every day. And you should eat fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, That all is very good. While eating food, you'll all keep that some of the vegetables inside, right? No, you should not do like that. You should eat all the vegetables, because in in different vegetables, different types of proteins, vitamins will get to your body. So what you should do? You should eat fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, and you should drink 1 glass of milk every day, because for calcium, getting calcium to your bones. Okay, then you should drink a clean water. Clean water and hot water also is very good habit. Then what you should do next? We should eat a fresh food and drink clean water. We should take a simple exercise every day. Okay, early in the morning you should take a simple exercise every day. And you should play games also. Okay, children, if you can, you do this exercise yourself. In next class, once we will revise this lesson and this exercises, then we will move to lesson 4. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed my class and you all understood this lesson well. Okay, thank you children. Bye, take care, and subscribe our Sai Sadbhavana YouTube channel and give a likes for that. Thank you children. Bye.